Big developments are happening around Tesla batteries. Tesla is already receiving BYD batteries for Giga Berlin's Model Y production, reports suggest. So what happens is this, friends. A recent report from China has suggested that BYD's Blade batteries will be used in Tesla's electric vehicles within the next month. What is quite interesting is that BYD batteries will reportedly be used in Tesla's Gigafactory Berlin in Germany, not Gigafactory Shanghai in China. So they will be shipped all the way to Berlin. With this in mind, BYD's batteries will reportedly be used initially for Tesla's German-made Model Y units. Such a strategy would likely work for Tesla Germany and the battery supplier, as Gigafactory Berlin is still in the process of being ramped. I think this will continue until Tesla Giga Berlin will start building its own batteries. The cell building is already almost ready, but who knows, Tesla needs as many batteries as it can use. Citing sources familiar with the matter, China-based news outlet Sina Tech noted that the deliveries of BYD Blade batteries are already starting in Giga Berlin. The production also noted that the first batch of Model Ys that will be equipped with BYD batteries are expected to roll off Giga Berlin's assembly lines from late August to early September 2022. I know these batteries are different, but if you guys know more about Tesla's Blade batteries, let me know in the comment section below. Do you think these types of Model Ys will be the same or a little bit more superior? What do you think, guys? Sina Tech, however, noted that Tesla's Gigafactory Berlin is the only one that will reportedly be using BYD Blade batteries. Tesla Gigafactory Shanghai reportedly has no plans to use BYD batteries in its operations. I wonder why. I don't know. For context, Gigafactory Shanghai currently sources its batteries from CATL and LG Energy Solutions. CATL provides about 70% of the batteries that are used in the China-based electric vehicle factory, which LG Energy Solution provides the remaining 30%. The recent updates from China are the latest in a long line of reports alleging that Tesla will be using BYD batteries for its vehicles soon. While Tesla's alleged supply deal with the battery maker has been considered a rumor for some time, a statement from BYD Executive Vice President and Director of Automotive Energy Research Institution Lian Yubo in early June suggested that BYD will soon supply batteries to the electric vehicle maker Tesla. Later in June, a source reported familiar with the company's plans told China motoring publication Autotime that BYD's battery manufacturing unit FinDreams Battery believes that a Tesla deal is all but secured. The publication source also claimed that BYD's batteries would be used in the Model Y, and the widespread use of the batteries will be implemented next year. So I guess Tesla will be using Model Y, building Model Ys at Giga Berlin with BYD batteries, and next year it may go mainstream. In the meantime, Tesla is apparently already receiving BYD batteries for Giga Berlin Model Y production, and we should see Model Ys with BYD Blade batteries coming out of Giga Berlin later in August, maybe in a week or 2 or 3. This is Armen Harayan from TorqueNews.com. Please subscribe to our channel for daily Tesla news. Ring the bell so you don't miss my next coverage. God bless you everyone, and peace be with all of you. And like this video if you found it interesting, please. I would greatly appreciate it.